Hi, I'm Lisa from Checkfront support team. Today I'm going to show you how to move a booking to a new day. First, you'll need to open the booking by going to Booking, Index, you would like to edit, clicking on it, and then clicking on the Edit tab. Now you should see a list of all of the items on the booking. Find the item you want to change and click the Change button. Now you'll want to click on the date. Select the date you would like to change it to. Scroll down and click Save. Now as you can see, the date of both items have changed. And if you go back to the invoice, this will be reflected there as well. When items are packaged together, if you adjust the dates of the main item, the packaged items will be adjusted as well. If there's more than one item on the booking, you'll be able to adjust the dates of each item separately. For example, here's a booking with two separate items. Now if we click Edit and Change, you can see only the date of the one item has been adjusted. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can email support@checkfront.com. Have a great day.